Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the curtain.
What's good, love buds? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell right there next to it so you don't miss a post, because YouTube will not tell you when I post this. But anywho, today I'm going to be showing you guys this brand that I am actually working with at the moment. That's where these lashes are from. You guys love this, and on my Instagram, on my channel, everybody love these lashes. The brand is Internally Flawless. That's the Instagram. I'll leave it in the description, and also you can use code LOLO for that money off, okay? But today I'm going to be showing you guys these nails that she has, okay? Now, when I first saw these nails, I saw it on Pinterest, okay? Now I'm like, how am I supposed to find it? But I was on the Explore page one day and I saw the nails and I was like, hopefully this is it. And it was, okay? So I clicked on it and I followed, right? So I've been following her for a minute, and then she recently posted about having like a brand ambassador and all that. So I was on it because I love those nails. But like, I've been doing my nails. I've just been doing my nails, and honestly I ran out of liquid too, and every time I get money I just spend it on candle stuff. And if you're not following my candle business, go ahead and follow them. 1331.candles, that's the Instagram, and go get you some candles, okay? I'm about to have more on the way. Anywho, that's not the spot. But yeah, so I was on it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to apply them. So let me show you the nails. Yeah, they cute, right? I know I've been talking way too much, I know. Applied a gel top coat on top of this because it's glittery and I have a child, but it is textured. I like that, but with a lyric I can't. Guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, if you're gonna go purchase some lashes or some nails, you know, go ahead and use that code, sis. And like the video. If you aren't, again, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on. But until next time, I'm out.
Am Ray gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. Number one, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.